up with for a whole week.
And where's Charles? He's already heading off. Where are you going? Okay, I guess we're gonna follow him then.
This way. Down in here. No, do your pose. Okay. Down there with your arms.
You guys got us lost.
No, exactly. Put it this way, I'll be guiding. Charles has no map to mess it up with, so. I'm pretty sure it's right up this way, isn't it?
What, to just get up on the boulders, right?
Yeah. I think it's this way. Oh yeah, you'll get a great shot up here, John.
So what's so exciting about this, boys?
Wait till you see.
Nothing.
This is just a lot of rock. Boulders. Scott,
Yes.
just say this word for me. I'm the king of the castle.
I'm the king of the castle.
And you're the dirty rascal.
You're the dirty rascal.
Okay, I'm proud of you now.
Okay, no problem. What? That water would be nice, Charlie.
I didn't want to carry it.
Oh, look, Nancy boy now. Nancy.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
This is...
It's a long way down there.
Here we go.
I'm filming there. Jesus.
I don't need any help. I'll be okay.
Man.
But it's great for you to be carrying that damn water. Charles.
What?
You should just give John a little push right now to see the reaction.
Oh yeah.
Just hang it over the edge just to get a... Like, put your hand out over there.
Charles, what are you doing there? Charles!
Sound carries.
Yeah.
Is there a waterfall down here?
Now let's see him try and do his pants up and act nonchalant.
You were taping me?
Yeah?
I was just looking at that tree over
Oh,
there.
do your knee bends for the cat.
Yeah. Okay, let's head down there. You want me to get you a shot in front of the mountain?